So I'm here at a job site that's complete gut, and everyone's gone. Sometimes that's better for me because I can kind of like assess everything, go over the details, the small fine print, if you will, game plan, strategy, collectively thinking about how to do a renovation in stages, because it's quite differently when you're building a house from ground up than you are when you're doing a complete renovation. For example, this wall here that you see is all coming out. But the catch is we got to preserve these trusses because they're remaining. So I guess can't go out there and just start tearing down the wall. I got to support these trusses, making sure that they still have that same kind of feel of bearing that that it feels, and I know trusses don't feel, but the same kind of bearing that it has on this wall here. Okay, so I'm thinking about that. This here, this slab that I'm walking on now is going to be extended out here, which is going to be part of the house now, air conditioned space. So what this green line is pretty much what I'm cutting out. I'll probably cut out a little bit further. This is going to be gone. Everything that you see is going to be gone. This bathroom here, because there's a bathroom in here, but it's got it out. It's going to be part of the bathroom for this bedroom is going to be right here. You don't see it all right now, but you watch my videos, I'm going to be documenting everything. Of course, you got a golf course right behind us. Eventually behind these hedges, they're going to probably extend it back a little bit further because you can see the neighbors, they have gone back a little bit, but that's going to be after we get done with the house here. This whole back is going to be transformed because remember, the house is being moved back to this green line. And so we're cutting all this concrete out, getting it out. We're going to make sure we tamp it, get the densities, spray it, visqueen, wire mesh, pour it, come up with block, and do our thing there. Because it's going to be, if you can imagine, there's going to be sliding glass door, sliding glass door. You still have the pool here and everything like that. That whole roof right there is going to be removed. So there's a lot going on here. In the front, I got a couple of videos that I talked about that already, where the front is going to be a whole transformation. We're popping up the front entrance to give that grand entrance as you walk in. And so that has to be planned out as well. Of course, when you're doing a job like this, no one can live in it, so which helps. But yet still, you still got to be cautious to things and be careful of things as well. The plumbing, they pretty much redid the plumbing. This is all going to be backfilled along with dirt. And then we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to tamp it with and spray it vapor barrier wire mesh. I got a couple of, I think I got 5 steel columns that's going to be in here to support trusses that we got going in. But like I said, this whole wall, including the tie beam, is all coming out because it's not going to be part of the house anymore. Everything is going to be going out towards the pool area. So if you like my videos, you like what I'm doing, and you like the information that I'm providing you, keep watching. Hopefully you learn a thing or two. You learn a little bit about construction, take the fear out of it, take the failure out of it, and be surprised at what you can do. You'll be very surprised. So this is not a project that I would let somebody start on in terms of they're doing it by themselves, but this is a project, if you was wonky with me, you'll get the gist of what we're doing and how we're doing it, and it makes sense. It's a different order of everything, but this is how we schedule our jobs. I come out here, like I said, I come out here and I do as much as I can to try to evaluate what goes next. All right? So keep watching. Peace.